Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can end your subscription on Amazon Prime Video, so let's get right into it. It's very easy to do. All you have to do is go onto the website, or if you're on the mobile app, you need to go into the mobile app, and then you got to locate your profile or account options. In the PC version, you just go into the top right, select your account, and then go all the way down to account and settings. It's pretty similar to the mobile version as well, so I'm pretty sure you just have to go into the settings or my stuff or whatever it's called, and then locate the account and settings options. Then once you're here, at least on the PC version, as you can see, you have your details and you have the subscription you are currently on, and all you have to do to end it is just click end membership, and that's gonna end it, and you're pretty much done. I won't be doing this, but you can do it very easily, and I'm pretty sure you can find it in another option here. You might not be able to, or I might just be mistaken, but yeah, you can just go to your account and then the membership from there. On the mobile device, you might need to scan around for your subscription options, but I'm not sure where they're currently located, so you'll have to figure that out for yourself. But that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.